Have you ever looked at a magazine and imagined yourself in it? What if I told you that a trip to a thrift shop paired with a thoroughly planned process and some hard work mixed with a bit of fun landed us in Vogue magazine? Would you believe me? We're on set today. I'm having Iván set up the sheet. I don't know if you all saw the Beyonce Vogue photo shoot, but it's kind of inspired from that, just to kind of give it a simple tone. But we're here in Lubbock, Texas. I guess you could say the middle of nowhere. Gabby on the camera, Iván on the photography camera. Chase is gonna be our other model for the day. We have Ifreke and John himself. But we're here, all right. Actually made it out of a beanbag that we thrifted, and we turned it into a vest and an extended collar. Instead of buying a shirt that I didn't really like because I couldn't find what I wanted, I'm gonna make it.
This looks like it looks like a shirt. That is so cool.
Instead of spending $50 on a shirt, which I used to do at Urban Outfitters based on a true story. Nothing against Urban Outfitters, just out of my price range right now. I go thrifting and I can buy more than just one item and more than one style. If I don't like something, what I try to do is I look for stuff that nobody else would get, but if I end up not liking it or it doesn't fit well, wasted $1. Not even that, probably a couple cents per, so I usually buy by the pound.
You should make a video about thrifting.
Actually I wanted to. I started the process, but the place I went to, the lady in charge, she had some type of power hype. She was like, no recording in here, and like charged at me. And
you want to say that again? Say that
Our last
again.
$5 photo shoot, it made Vogue. So what you're putting into it, you don't necessarily have to, there's no competition and there's no budget you have to meet, I guess.
Yeah.
This part is supposed to show unity in the brotherhood of the Black community. Where we lack it, I think it's time to bring each other together and uplift one another instead of being in adversity. Bring your chin up and then turn it that way. There you go.
Put it over your head, you know, get everything all aligned and all that. Get it real tight, because, well, not super tight, because you don't want like a whole crease on your forehead. But, you know, pull it back, get it real comfortable, then you tie it like this. I don't know if you can feel what I'm doing, but it's basically just like tying a shoelace. It's really not complicated at all. You know, you do the loop-de-loop and pull. All right, bet. So rabbit goes over the tree. Exactly.
Rabbit goes over the tree.
So yeah. Real simple. Get it all nice and tight on your head.